check out my totally unique paper airplane. The only plane like it in the world. Here we go. This is a slit and a tab that I'm making, and I'm tabbing it inside in the back of the plane under the tail to keep the plane together. It's kind of difficult to see, and it's difficult to do. And I just ripped my plane apart, but I can put it back together. And this is the finished plane. And yes, it does fly. It flies very far and very straight. Or if I adjust it, I can make it bank left, I can make it bank right, I can make it loop, I can make it just about do anything that an airplane will do. One thing I forgot is this. Which helps it in the lift department, so that when you do throw it, you don't have to throw it in an upward angle. You actually throw it in a bit of a downward angle. You throw it on an angle like this rather than on an angle like that, and it has its own lift. Anyway, that's my special paper airplane. Thank you.